Welcome to Soothing Pod's meditation. In today's practice, we'll try to calm our monkey mind, quieting the distractions and getting calm and focused. Begin by settling into a comfortable position. As you close your eyes, strengthen your back without stiffening, staying alert yet relaxed. Relax your neck and shoulders and rest your hands on your knees. Now gradually lengthen your breath. Take a few long inhales and exhales, feeling your lungs expanding and releasing. And now, let your breath settle back into a natural rhythm. Without changing your breathing, stay with the whole cycle of breath. Notice the start of your inhale and stay with it all the way to the top. Observe the moment the inhale ends and the exhale naturally begins, and follow your exhalation to the very end, noticing the breath begin again. And whenever you get distracted, simply note that experience. It might be a thought, an emotion, or sensation. Note it. The moment you notice whatever it is that takes you away from your breath, you've already stopped the distraction. If it's a thought, you can silently say to yourself, thinking, and then return to your breath again. If it's an emotion, you might say, feeling, and come back to your inhales and exhales. When physical sensations arise, silently repeat sensing, returning to your body, breathing in and breathing out. The nature of our mind is to think, so it's perfectly normal to get distracted. The idea here isn't to stop the stream of thoughts. Instead, allow the distractions to come and go without judgment. Whenever you stray from your breath, note what is happening, name it, and redirect your awareness to your breath time and time again. Even if you have to do it 100 times, be gentle and kind with yourself as you return to your inhales and exhales again and again. And now let your attention relax. The human mind entertains around 50,000 separate thoughts a day. We swing from one to another like a monkey sways from branch to branch. It's no wonder we often refer to our distracted state as having a monkey mind. Left to its own devices, our mind jumps wildly from one distraction to another, leaving us feeling unsettled and indecisive, stressed and depressed. But meditation teaches us not to let our thoughts take over. Instead, we learn to manage our monkey minds and cultivate a calmer, more peaceful state. Professor of medicine and renowned mindfulness teacher Jon Kabat-Zinn said, "You can't stop the waves, but you can learn to surf." You see, thoughts are inevitable. So rather than trying to stop them entirely, we learn to catch ourselves thinking, allowing the distractions to come and go without getting involved in them. In this way, we learn to understand our mind, keep it calm, and make friends with our inner monkey. Now feel your body in space, and as you bring small movements back to your hands and feet, slowly open your eyes. Try taming your monkey mind today, and we'll see you back here tomorrow.